Tired of wasting money on meta ads that don't work? You're tweaking audiences, testing random hacks, and still not scaling profitably, right? You're not alone. Most brands chase hacks instead of building a real system that scales. Today, I'll break down my 7-step meta ad system that delivers consistent results for DTC and local brands. Let's dive in. Step 1. Funnel structure. Prospecting brings new people. Advantage Plus finds fast buyers, and retargeting closes the deal. Each stage feeds the next. Step 2. Smart audiences. Stack interests, use lookalikes, and retarget site visitors or add to carts. Reach the right people at the right time. Step 3. Track everything. Set up Metapixel and Conversions API. Know your real ROAS, CAC, and LTV. Step 4. Optimize. Test new creatives weekly, cut losers fast, and scale what works. Step 5. Proof. My retro poster grew 750% in 6 months using this system. Step 6. Integrate. Connect Meta with your CRM, email, and analytics for smarter ads and clearer reporting. Step 7. ROI First. Set clear ROAS targets, kill what doesn't scale, and focus on profit. Stop chasing hacks. Build a system. That's how you scale from stuck to unstoppable. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'm ready to build my meta ad system.